The trauma program at HCA Florida Kendall Hospital is unlike any other program I've ever witnessed in my healthcare career. And nobody does a better job of caring for and improving human life than the trauma team at Kendall. HCA Florida Kendall Hospital's trauma program is a hero because we lead the way in outcomes. And HCA Florida Kendall Hospital is #1 in the entire country. So again, not just in this community, not just in Miami-Dade, not even in the state of Florida. From being the only hospital here in South Florida to receive a top 50 hospital designation from Health Grades, to Fortune magazine last year rated us as the #4 major teaching facility in the entire country. We've been named the #1 hospital for surgery in the state of Florida. And that's reflective of teamwork, compassion, commitment, alignment, and really leaning in and supporting one another, because this community deserves it. Because at the end of the day, there is nothing more important, more consequential than saving another human being's life.
HPV is the human papillomavirus. Right? If you can protect yourself against HPV, you're protecting yourself against different types of cancers, like throat cancer or cervical cancer. There is a vaccine that exists that can prevent human papillomavirus. So Garrett, who is a medical student at the University of Miami, approached me last year about this project that he was starting with some of his fellow medical students about HPV Aware. The idea was getting into the community to really be able to explain to youth what HPV is and what are their options in terms of protecting themselves. I was able to help facilitate Garrett to bring HPV Aware to different schools in Miami-Dade to speak directly to adolescents about HPV and the dangers and what they should be aware of. HPV Aware is a healthcare hero because it helps provide education that will ultimately allow people to prevent cancer in their lifetime. It's also them educating other peers or their family. So if all of these people could get vaccinated, that's generations of people that we're preventing cancer in.
The Miami Project is a center of excellence at the University of Miami. It's one of the largest research institutions in the country working on new strategies to protect and promote recovery in patients with paralysis and other neurological disorders. Our ultimate goal is to develop new therapies that protect and repair the nervous system after injury. The other thing that we're really excited about is taking the lessons learned from spinal cord research and translating them into other neurological problems, such as traumatic brain injury, stroke, and more recently, neurodegenerative diseases. I think a major impact that the project has had over the years is to develop a therapeutic pipeline where an idea can be translated all the way to a clinical trial. And we have, through this pipeline, brought many, many new therapies to people, and that has made a big impact on their lives. I think the future is exciting because of the fact that we're going to deliver new therapies to people and really make a difference in their function and quality of life.